Have you ever applied a filter or transformation to an image in MATLAB and the result just does not make the sense? Most of the time, the problem isn't in the filter, it's into the image type. Let me show you where the image type conversion becomes really essential and how to do it right way. Just imagine this. You read an image and want to apply a sharpening filter or performing histogram equalization. You write your code, but suddenly MATLAB throws an unexpected result or warning. This happens because many processing functions accept your image is in double format. The double format has the pixel value between 0 and 1, and your image is in unsigned integer 8, which is ranges in between 0 to 255. Let me show you this through this example. Let's import an image. So here we are reading by default image that is available in MATLAB, paper.png. So when we have imported this image, here you can see the image is I. This is the matrix size and this is the class. It is basically unsigned integer 8. Now before applying any mathematical operations, you should convert it into double. This will ensure functions like imfilter, FFT2 or adapthisteq works correctly. Now here we are going to convert this image I from this unsigned integer 8 into double class, and this will do using im2double function. So you need to write im2double into the bracket name of your image. And now let's run this section, and here you can see this I double is of the class double. Now after whatever process you did using this double conversion, you want to display the result or you want to save this file. So for that purpose you will need to convert the image back to unsigned integer 8, and that you can do using simply im to unsign 8. Here using this im to unsign 8, you can convert this double file back to unsigned integer 8. Now let's say you are building a segmentation pipeline. You might want to create binary mask based on the intensity. So you want to convert this into grayscale image. So using this command RGB to gray, you can convert this eye into a grayscale image. Now this will create black and white image based on the threshold, perfect for region extraction or a morphological operation. So here you can see a perfect example of region extraction or morphological operation. Let me show you some other images also. This is a grayscale image, which is basically been converted from RGB image to grayscale image. The original version of this image is this one, I, right? It is the RGB to gray. So if I'll show you the I image, there we go. So this is the original image, then we have seen the grayscaled image, and then we have seen the black and white image based on the region extraction. So while working with this type of commands, that ensures that you are dealing with the right type of image for right operation. For this type of interesting videos, stay connected to this channel. We'll see you into the next video. Till that time, bye bye.